Okay guys, so today I'm going to do a little video on this babyliss hairdryer that I have. Okay, so the power on this hairdryer is 2200 watts, which is actually quite powerful. The cord is actually over 3 meters, which is slightly longer than the normal hairdryers out in the market. It's got a nozzle as well that obviously you could direct the heat to the place that obviously you want. The settings, obviously you got 3 heat settings, which is there, and then obviously two power settings. It's got a cool shot button as well, and obviously you've got the filter as well that obviously you know, you can easily put back on. Ooh, yeah. Obviously these are obviously the positive things. Obviously I found that this was actually really heavy. This is just over 800 grams, which is, yeah, you know, quite heavy, especially for me because I've got obviously quite long curly hair. So for me to dry my hair, it's going to take a little bit. You know, it's going to take a little while to do. So yeah, I decided to obviously get a new babyliss hairdryer. Just before I show you the new one that I've got, this one has got a hook as well, which is quite handy if you want to obviously you know, hang it up. Obviously I like this sort of button because this is, I find that is much easier to control, whereas before I had like ones that would slide up and down, and I tend to find that I don't properly have control over those, and it actually broke. So I've decided I'm never going to get the other ones, you know, the slidey ones. So okay, I'm going to show you the new one that I've bought. Okay guys, so this is the new hairdryer that I bought. Again, this is slightly powerful than the other one that I had. This is 2300 watts. It's also got the ironess frizz technology, obviously that gives you a nice smooth shine when you blow dry your hair. Okay, let me just open that up and show you guys. Okay. Yeah, let me just open up. This is the nozzle. Wow, this is a nice color, guys. Okay, so again, this has got obviously 3 heat settings and 2 power settings. Is also got a cool shot button as well. It also comes with a nozzle as well that obviously you could put on it, and obviously the filter is there as well. The cord on this one is actually 2 meters, which is slightly less than the other one that I had, but I don't mind that because obviously I'm just gonna put it on my dressing table. Obviously the power is there, so I don't need to I don't need to have a long cable. It's got a hook as well, which is quite good. And again, the buttons obviously are, you know, you've got more control over the buttons like this. I tend to find, as I said, I don't like the ones with the slidey, obviously the slidey type. Again, yeah, so I'm gonna obviously use that and see. If you like my videos, guys, just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.